rounds, 10 lives per round.
All right, let's start. Let's see who wins. It's Noel against Teddy.
The person with the most wins.
That is, the green shirt is Noel and the gray shirt is Teddy.
Green jacket.
Yeah, gray jacket. I don't care.
1, go.
By the way, the minigun is really good, although it's tiny. Yeah, it's so good. And by the way, that big gun you see over there, it's terrible. We're not using it.
Headshot! Headshots don't count! Yes, they do! No, they do not!
Yeah, headshots count.
Wait, what? Did I hit him? No, you did not.
Yes, you did, actually.
No, he did not.
Okay. Whoa, I did not actually see. Did you even shoot it?
I did not get hit. Let's try.
Bruh.
Why? Why? You little bleep. Hey, yo. Scooby-Doo, yes. Scooby-Doo. How many lives do you have left?
He has like
2.
Oh, 2? Oh yeah, 2. How many do you have left? Like 4?
7.
7? No, you do not have 7, no.
No, you don't.
Bro.
It's true.
Really? You've been hit that much? Okay.
I have 9.
You have, oh, he's out. Okay. So Teddy is the loser and Noel is the winner. For the first round, we're doing best out of 5 rounds, and whoever wins this wins the whole entire thing.
That's not true.
No, whoever wins like all of the rounds, like the okay.
At the end of each round, we'll switch guns. No, we won't.
No. Actually, yeah, that kind of sounds fair.
Yes, it does.
Okay, switch guns. Okay, now Noel has the minigun and Teddy has the Roblox gun, which is that rifle thing, whatever.
We haven't started yet.
Okay, we're starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
Did I hit him?
I'm not sure.
Did I get you? No. Oh, come on. How do you? Ah! I've got the loaded gun.
Hit.
That was not. Yes, it was. Well, I didn't feel it.
Is it like 8 to 9?
Ow.
Oh, 9 to 9. 9 to 9, guys.
Hardly hurts.
No, sorry, 8 to 8.
No, 7 to 9.
7 to 9, okay.
Still 7 to 9. That was a hit. That was a hit. No, it wasn't. 6 9. What was it? Amazing. Yes.
Miss. Easy miss.
Oh shit.
That was a miss. That literally hit the wall straight on.
Did I hit? No.
Nope. No hit.
Still 6 9.
Yep.
Wait, who's got 9? Who's got 6? Me. 5 9.
5 9. Oh yeah. 5 8. Was that a hit?
No.
Okay.
4 9.
4 9. Yep. No, that hit the wall first.
4 8.
4 8. 4 8.
That was so close.
Ooh, nice dodge there by Teddy. Although he is losing at this point.
Oh, hit! No.
Oh, hit. Is that it? Or
No.
1 life?
3 8. Oh.
3 to 8, guys.
2 to 8.
2 to 8.
1 to 8.
Wow.
No, that don't count. Cheating. You did that to me. Ah!
Did that hit his butt?
No, it is leg.
Oh. Okay. New round. This is round 3, and for both of the rounds, Noel has won.
If I win this, I win it all.
Yes. There's no chance of Teddy winning if Noel wins this for the 3rd time in a row. Guys, you gotta switch guns again, by the way.
I like that gun better. We may only be playing 3 rounds because of
Yeah,
this
true.
winning streak. No,
Yeah, okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay.
Oh, that was a hit both ways. No, it wasn't. I did not get hit. 9-9.
9-9.
No, it's 10-9. I did not get hit.
That was a hit.
It's still 7-10. No, not 7.
Nope, it's 8-10.
Fun.
Okay, that's
No, 7-10.
7-10.
How do you miss that?
That was a terrible miss, by the way.
No, it's 16. Nope. How do you miss that?
6-10. Oh my gosh, Noah's definitely gonna win this.
10.
No shot, bro. 4-10. This is crazy.
Miss on both sides.
Okay, let's see. Oh, that was, bro, you were so close.
That was 2-10. Oh, 1-10.
You missed that. Oh, 110, 110.
Missed that.
Final shot. Game over. Noel has won the championships. 3-0 this whole entire championship. 3-0. Boom. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you can never miss any of our future videos. Goodbye.
See you in the next video.
Yep.